Welcome to WebStarBus. In this video, I will show you how to delete all messages at once on Android. So I've got these apps for Messages and Google Messages. I will use Messages app. You can switch between the two easily. To do that, go to Settings, Apps, from sorting icon, Show System Apps. Okay. Search Messages, scroll down, Messaging app. Select Messages, not Google Messages. Okay, to delete all messages at once, open Messages app. You can see I've got 2161 messages, and these are unread messages. I've got a lot of messages here. I'm going to delete all of these at once. To do that, press three dots, select Delete. Press this circle that has all written below it. So now all messages have been selected, and these are the conversations. Total we have 1663 that are selected, and below we have got delete all button. So I'm gonna press that. Move to trash. That's it. So guys, I just deleted 1600 plus messages. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. But let me give you one more hint. Press three dots, go to Settings, More Settings, and select this option, Delete Old Messages. This way, old messages will be automatically deleted. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.